Viewers, welcome to my channel, viewers. I create a video, unique flower vase ideas, with beautiful love quotes. Please like and subscribe my channel. A true friend is the greatest gift. Friendship is love without wings. Friends are the family we choose. A friend is a treasure of the heart. In every friendship, love blooms. Friends make the good times better. A friend loves at all times. Love begins with friendship. Friends are love's messengers. Friendship doubles joy and halves sorrow. Good friends are like stars. True friendship never fades. Friends are the sunshine of life. Friendship is love in its purest form. A friend's love is unconditional. Friends are the soul's companions. Friendship, where love meets laughter. Love grows deeper in friendship. A friend is love in disguise. Lifelong friends are rare gems. Friendship is life's sweetest bond. A true friend knows your heart. Where there's friendship, there's love. Friends are love's roots. The heart of friendship is love. A friend is a forever blessing. Friendship is love's strongest foundation. Good friends are love's magic. In friendship, love is eternal. Friends make life colorful. A friend's love is endless. Friendship is love with trust. True friends are life's anchors. Friendship is a bridge to love. Friends make the heart smile.